SPIRE Tutorial Videos Part 4, IT Accounts and SPIRE Roles. Section A, Preferred SPIRE Roles. Some users have two SPIRE roles. If you are a student, your student role is separate from your non-student role, e.g. staff, faculty, instructor, or student employee, and your non-student role is initially set as default. This means that when you log into SPIRE without checking the Use Alternate Role checkbox, you will be logged in as your non-student role. You can register for classes and do all student work by logging in as your student role, which is initially set as your alternate role, by checking the Use Alternate Role checkbox. If you want to automatically log in as your student role instead, you can change your preferred SPIRE role. To change your default preferred SPIRE role, click the SPIRE main menu, then My SPIRE, and then Preferred SPIRE Role. Select the role you wish to set as default, and then click Save Preference. Section B, IT Accounts. SPIRE users can view their IT accounts, certification and trainings, as well as manage guest accounts from the IT Accounts section of the SPIRE main menu. To view your IT account and subsidiary accounts, access the My IT Accounts page by clicking the SPIRE main menu, then IT Accounts, and then My IT Accounts. The My IT Accounts page includes a list of accounts owned by the user, titled Accounts Owned by Your Name. This list includes your IT account and subsidiary accounts. To view information about an account, or to change the password for your IT account or a subsidiary account, click the account name in the list on the My IT Accounts page. From this screen, users can also change the owner of a subsidiary account. The Account Assignment box allows you to give another employee the ability to change the password for a subsidiary account that you own. For example, this is useful if you want a student employee to be able to manage the password for a subsidiary account. Section C, My Certifications and Trainings. To view completed SPIRE and non-SPIRE trainings, click the SPIRE main menu, then IT Accounts, and then My Certifications and Trainings. The My Certifications and Trainings page includes a list titled Credentials, which displays the title and status of certifications and trainings, the first and last times when trainings were completed, and the frequency of completed trainings. Section D, Guest Wireless Accounts. SPIRE employee users can add up to 3 guest accounts, which expire after 3 days and allow guests to access campus wireless networks. To add or manage guest accounts, click the SPIRE main menu, then IT Accounts, then Manage Guest Accounts to access the Guest Wireless Accounts page. To create a new guest account, fill in the guest name field on the Guest Wireless Accounts SPIRE page and click Create Guest Account. Click I agree on the following page to create the guest account. Once the guest account has been created, go to the My IT Accounts page by clicking IT Accounts in the SPIRE menu bar and then My IT Accounts. Set the guest account password by clicking the account name in the Accounts Owned by Your Name list and clicking Change Password in the upper right. Guest accounts can be edited or deleted from the Guest Wireless Accounts page.